I hate to be the one to tell you this, but there's a secret the wealthy don't want you to know about business finance. And it's what's keeping you from reaching their level. You've been hustling, grinding every day, putting in the work, but something isn't clicking. You're not seeing the returns you should. Meanwhile, the rich, they're moving mountains of money with ease. Why? It's not because they work harder. It's because they've mastered business finance, an art you've never been taught. While you're stuck in the weeds, they're focused on growing their wealth by leveraging business finance strategies that allow them to build empires. They know how to protect their money from taxes, reinvest it, and grow it in ways most people can't even imagine. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is a solid, strategic approach that ensures their wealth keeps multiplying year after year. Business finance isn't just about making money. It's about managing it, protecting it, and using smart strategies to create long-term wealth, like minimizing taxes, optimizing cash flow, and securing your assets. The wealthy don't just accumulate wealth, they strategize it. They understand how to use their business to create financial freedom for generations. If they can do it, why can't you? Follow for more. Your future self will thank you.